Today we're unboxing the perfect gift for any dog mom, the Ultimate Dog Mom Gift Set. This beautifully designed set is filled with thoughtful items that any dog-loving woman will absolutely adore. First up, we have this cute greeting card. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to your gift, making it extra special. Next, we have this cute glass tumbler, complete with a bamboo lid and a reusable glass straw. It's ideal for keeping your drinks safe, whether you're enjoying iced tea or your morning coffee. Now, check out this adorable makeup bag. With its fun dog-themed design, it's both stylish and practical, perfect for carrying your essentials on the go. Then we have these comfy socks. They're soft, cozy, and covered in cute little paw prints, perfect for any dog mom. After a long day, what could be better than lighting this lavender scented candle? Made with natural soy wax, it smells amazing and creates the perfect relaxing atmosphere. Finally, don't forget this best dog mom ever keychain. A great daily reminder of your love for your furry.